And other things, we believe preventive care is very important in Chinese medicine.
Yes.
Meaning even right now, you and me, we don't feel sick or coughing or something, but we use our body every day, like 24 hours. So we always in balance for each organ system.
Yes.
So Chinese medicine theory believe you need to, even you don't have really symptom happen, but your body still disharmony. So if you can kind of do a little bit regular tonify or boost your qi in your body, can help you build up energy or immune system to prevent the disease happen. We call that treat some disease not happen.
Yes.
Yes.
No, this is a very key difference in Chinese medicine because you point out that we may be feeling normal. We
Yes.
go about our everyday, we have responsibilities,
Yeah.
many things in life, and we do not have actual physical symptoms. We have nothing to complain about. Our chief complaint is nothing. We are fine.
Yeah.
But Chinese medicine, there may be sort of subclinical imbalance that
Mhm.
continues. And I know that when you assess clients, you feel the pulse, so you
Mhm.
can get a sense of, how is, for example, the spleen or liver? Are there deficiencies?
Yeah.
Because even if you find a deficiency, the individual may not be aware of it. And
Exactly.
so this is very a key, very important because in our lifetimes, as we go through life, these underlying deficiencies may eventually catch up at
Yeah.
some point later and
Yeah.
may manifest as actual diseases later.
Yeah.
So Chinese medicine, if we can keep balance and harmony, maintain blood and qi,
Mhm.
even when we feel normal,
Mhm.
we will have a life that is more vibrant, less illness,
Yeah.
and we're maintaining the parts of our health that we cannot see. And
Yeah.
I think this is very important because Western medicine only describes what can be physically seen, physically measured in a laboratory test,
Yeah.
but it misses there's so much of our bodies that we cannot explain in a laboratory test or an x-ray. There are channels and systems that you appreciate in Chinese medicine that we want to keep in harmony.
Yes.
And so I think, trying to sort of put what you say in context of Western medicine, because most of us are only familiar with Western medicine. And when you think about Chinese medicine as all the things happening in our body that we might not be able to explain with our Western science, we still need to maintain balance and harmony. And you point out the importance of sleep and, stress. These things affect our constitution somehow. We don't have a laboratory test for stress or we don't have a lab test for, poor sleep, but people can describe some symptoms, but then we may not be aware. So, prevention,
Also,
critical.
like from our education client about Chinese medicine theory to take care of themselves, like a physiology used in their life, they they can monitor their body like a general checking with the Western medicine doctor to
Yes.
combine together, and it won't like a yeah. I think that's great combination together.
Yeah, it works together because, in Western medicine, we do have best practices, we have screening exams, we have basic blood work, we take blood pressure, we have very good ways to keep people disease less.
Yeah.
However, there are many areas that we cannot measure.
Yes.
When you combine, you're right, Eastern Chinese medicine principles can work together very well with Western medicine.
Yeah.
For there are many things that, cancer screening, colonoscopy, mammogram for women, these things are very solid and very good preventive practices. But there's many more things we can do when we embrace Eastern medicine, Chinese medicine principles, and incorporate this other idea of how our bodies work. And
Yeah.
I think more and more we are learning that Western medicine doesn't have all the answers. We have many answers, but it's not everything because
Mhm.
people still get diseases, things still happen to
Mhm.
people as we go through life.
Yeah.
And addressing root causes, imbalances, another system, and maintaining the health helps everybody do better in our lives.
And it also help the people to kind of take care of themselves every day, to aware they need to take care of themselves with the balance philosophy every day, whatever use this technique in their life or they struggle some life issue, work issue,
Yes.
and
Yes.
very mindful.
Yeah. And once you understand your body this way, that it's
Yeah.
not just the absence of Western medical disease, but there's other things present, then you're exactly right. You pay attention and you
Mhm.
take time and you reflect on how you feel and you allow yourself to be aware of different things going on in your body. I
Yeah.
think life is so busy, we just constantly are going forward and we don't stop to take a breath and really check in with how are we doing? How do
Mhm.
we really feel? How do our bodies feel?
Yeah.
And this approach includes that.
Mhm.